Hey besties, in today's video I'll share with you 5 ways to make money from the comfort of your home while sitting pretty just like me. Yes, so if this strikes like something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Guys, I have been broke before. I know what it feels like to not to have money, and I don't ever want to be in that place again. Never ever. And of course, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks that helped me elevate my financial status to get to where I am today. And I'm sure you'd agree with me that nowadays the internet actually makes nearly everything accessible regardless of your location or your device. And this is why online jobs and opportunities, yes, business opportunities, seem appealing to people looking for a side hustle or a way to make easy money. Most of these are actually done through websites or applications, with the former being the preferred source of quick income. For example, there are dozens of market research companies recruiting new members from around the world to fill out online surveys for cash. But if that is not the only way to make money, you can also make money online without any investment, testing games and apps, selling stock photos and micro jobs and micro tasks. Yes, shortening URLs with your own blogs or websites, working as a freelancer, earning extra cash easily. Yes, on the PTC, which is paid to click, and GPT, get paid to websites. Guys, the possibilities are endless. Please, if you're new here, introduce yourselves in the comments. Today's video is going to be power packed. Make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. I'd like to know you and meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? What do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Let me know. If anyone sent it to you, let me know in the comments so I can say a big thank you to whoever sent my videos to you guys. And to all of my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you. Thank you for your massive love and support. I see you guys and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. And yes, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, Oshay, I know I'm hyper. Let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you do the same thing. Yes, you think I'll forget? I will not. Oh yeah, introduce yourselves, Okoya. I want to know you. So my name is Mariam A based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, but make sure that you make it a day to join me here on this channel every day. Tune into this channel every single day. There is always something for you. Yes, so you can make money. Hey guys, I'm gonna be spilling the tea on this channel, so make sure that you're part of the family in case you have not joined the moving train. And I'm building a community here. Like I always say, this is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. So feel free to ask your questions if you have any questions for me. So without further ado, guys, let's just get right into today's business. Come with me, guys, let's go.
Mariam A.
So guys, depending on whether you're looking to earn extra money quickly or build a long-term income stream, each of the following websites I'm going to be sharing with you today offers unique advantages tailored to different needs and interests. The best methods to earn money online this year, there are actually several different ways and methods to make money from the comfort of your home. And some methods require a lot of hard work and dedication, while others are more passive and require less effort. And here are the 10, yes, best ways, yes, ideas and methods to earn money from home this year. The first on my list here is freelancing. Yes, if you have a particular skill or talent, you can use freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients who are willing to pay for your services. The next one on my list here is blogging. Yes, if you enjoy writing and you have a particular topic that you are knowledgeable about, guys, you can start a blog and monetize it through advertising. Yes, sponsored content, and of course affiliate marketing. Yes, and you also know that you can use advertising networks to monetize your blogs and websites. The next on my list is e-commerce. Yes, if you have a product to sell, yes, you also know that I'm a fashion designer, and this is even one of my pieces. Yeah, you can go to my website. It's www.chassiseverything.com. You can make money, yes, by having your own website and selling your products or offering your services. So yes, you can check it out. So you see, I am walking the talk. Most of all of these, tips and tricks and strategies I share with you guys, I personally use them myself. So yes, you can see that it is working. If it's not working, then I will not be talking about it. So come with me, guys. Let's go.
Mariam A.
So besties, like I said, if you have a product to sell, you can set up an online store and sell your goods through platforms like Amazon. Yes, even if you don't have your own personal websites, you can use, sell platforms like Amazon or Etsy, yeah, or even eBay to sell your products. Then you can also do affiliate marketing. Yes, you can sell even without owning your own. You can sell other people's products and make a commission out of it. Yes, each time, whenever they make a sale, you also get paid. Yes. So guys, in brief, that is what affiliate marketing is all about. So like I said, you earn a commission, yes, by promoting other people's products through your own websites or social media channels. Now, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a popular way for businesses to reach new customers, yes, and for affiliates to earn income online. And it can be an effective way for businesses to expand their reach and for affiliates to monetize their websites or social media accounts. Now, in affiliate marketing, an affiliate is a person or company who promotes a merchant's products or service in exchange for a commission. The affiliate is responsible for marketing the merchant's products or services to potential customers and encouraging them to make a purchase. Now, the affiliate is paid a commission for each sale that results from their marketing efforts. Now, affiliate marketing can actually be an effective way for merchants to reach a wider audience and for affiliates to earn money by promoting products or services, yes, that they believe in. It can also be a good way for affiliates to build a reputation and establish themselves as experts in a particular field. The next on my list is GPT. I know you only hear of Chat GPT. GPT means get paid to websites. Yes. Now, these websites pay you to complete tasks like, taking surveys, watching videos, and completing offers. Best GPT and PTC websites are paid surveys. Yes, there are many websites that pay you to take surveys and provide your opinion on different products and services. Yes, if you'd like me to make a video on that, please let me know in the comments. Now, the next on my list here is passive income. Yes, there are several ways to generate passive income online, like creating an online course, investing in real estate, or starting a drop shipping business. Yes, free passive income websites are available. If you want me to also make a separate video on that, let me know. The next one on my list here is YouTube. Yes, just like I am doing right now. Although YouTube, you have to be patient. It's a game of patience. If you're not patient enough, I'm not sure you can withstand YouTube and all that it takes to grow a successful YouTube channel. However, if you have a talent for creating videos, you can actually start a YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising and sponsorships. You can actually even start making money from YouTube before you reach the monetization threshold. Yes, if you want to know more about that, send me an email. I'm also a YouTube coach. Like I said, I help small to medium-sized businesses start a YouTube channel, a profitable YouTube channel, and begin to monetize it even from the very first day. Yes, so you're welcome. So let's get right to the next one on my list here. Besties, the next one on my list here is teaching and tutoring. Guys, if you have expertise in a particular subject, do you know that you can offer online tutoring? Yes, and or teaching services through platforms like iTutor or Teachables. Yes. So besties, I don't want this video to be too long, and of course I will continue. Make sure that you tune into this channel, watch my next video. I'm going to be sharing the remaining ways to actually make money. Guys, if you need me to create another video, to share websites where you can check out surveys and make money, I'm telling you, I did a survey and I was paid $1,600 for this survey. Yes, you heard me right. So yes, I will see you in my next video. If you want me to list out all of these websites where you can do surveys and get paid for it, let me know in the comments. I'm rooting for you. All right, that is it for today. If no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.